What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Audrey and Brian shoe review. We don't have an official name for the channel, but we just love sneakers. We are
comment channel names or something we can go by.
We are now,
but be nice.
We are reviewing a sneaker that I think is great. I wanted and finally got. I mean, it's only been out a couple months, but it is the J Balvin Rio Jordan 3. Thank you, StockX. Really cool box.
Yeah,
pretty cool.
Got that sunset look.
Got the
so cute.
Fancy paper.
A sunset always reminds me a new day full of opportunity is coming. I know that's right.
Now these, I have the white ones as well.
These are sick. And
so I didn't know if I was gonna really love these sneakers.
Oh my gosh.
But I think now that I have them, once I got them in hand, they really pop. I'm gonna do a quick 360 review or 360 spin over here on the camera, the close-in camera. Yeah, it comes with some laces, so let's pull those out.
Oh, just one pair.
Yeah, just one
I
extra
would stick
pair.
with the black personally.
Here we go.
I love these. Of course, I prefer the first pair because, like I've mentioned in other videos, I gravitate more towards a white colorway, but
I should have that out here just to do a quick compare contrast, but I don't. Maybe we'll do a little video on that one. But this is just your Jordan 3, your normal Jordan 3. It's got the sort of tags in the back to protect. They started putting that in there for some reason. I'm going to do a little lift up so people can see from the top. You can see the bottom. The bottom is really pretty cool. It's got like that orange color. It's weird because you see these on film and you never know like what they're going to look like in real life, but they look pretty cool. I'm going to do the close-up camera, and just really interesting. I think that this is the same sort of color pattern, but the colors just pop more on the black version, right? So this is your standard Jordan 3. I will tell you, in person, this black is a deeper black than the normal Air Jordan black. It's like a matte finish, right? And then the elephant print is a dark gray. So let's do a close-up on the back of the little smiley face and the little color spectrum. And we got the little gold Jumpman on the tongue. So, all right, what do you think? What are you rating? What are you giving these?
An 8.
You're giving them an 8?
I think it's a cool shoe. I prefer the other ones more, but all in all, I really like them. Anything neon, orange, vibrant, I like. And I don't know. I like the whole like aspect of the sunrise and just like the story behind the shoe, and I like it. I think J Balvin is a good person for Nike to do something with. I really like it, and I know, the culture likes it too.
It's a nice collaboration, right? Awesome. I will give it I'm going to give it a 9, I think. I just think that it's not going to be one of my favorite sneakers, so this is not going to be something I'm like dying to wear, but I think it's really cool, really unique, really interesting, a cool conversation piece if you wear it out.
Yeah.
Looks better in life. The colors pop. Yeah. And living in Miami, maybe we'll be able to go to a J Balvin concert someday. Who knows, right?
Yeah, I'll give these a 8 and the white one's a 9 or cream or whatever.
Yeah, I think the cream ones are a little bit better myself too, but these are a solid second behind those, right?
Yep, and I think if you like J Balvin, you like these colors, there's a lot of reasons for someone to want to get this shoe. So if you can get it, I would get it. I think it's a really cool add-on into your collection, and it's just different than something so basic.
And what I would say also right now, because I got these off StockX, the price was like $350-ish, and then with fees close to $400. The price of the white ones is going through the roof, and it was about this same price last year around this time, and now that one is selling for $500, $550. So this is one for collectors that I think if you like this and want to add it into the mix, it's only getting more expensive over time. So I would say get it right now while it's at the low point, and then just hold on to it if you're doing it for an investment. But if you know that you're going to get it at some point, now is probably a good time if you can. All right. Any last thoughts on it, or no? Just a cool sneaker, right?
Yeah, I like it. It's cute.
All right. Awesome. We will catch you at the next review.